Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Adobe subscription step by step. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open Adobe Acrobat and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, click on Manage My Account. If you are not already sign in to your Adobe account. Once you are signed in, click on Plans and Payment and then click on Manage Plan. Now select Cancel your plan. Adobe will show you your current plan's details, review the information, and click Continue to cancel. Choose the reason why you want to cancel your subscription and then click Continue. Review the cancellation details one final time and click Confirmation Cancellation. After that, check your email for cancellation confirmation from Adobe. You can also verify the cancellation status from your Adobe account page. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.